Hello, everybody. This is Maya. I got this paper thing that has something inside. I'll show you what's inside. I was just
I'm ready.
Come here. My sister's joined me just for a little bit. Want to show up? Come on. Go. Go.
This is my Little Mermaid.
Yeah, and her purse fell down.
Yeah.
I broke the purse.
Don't broke the purse. She likes a little lollipop.
Wait, what? She's behind us. Our Ava's sister is right there. Ava. Come on, Ava, you come out.
No.
Do you want to be in the video?
No.
Okay. Ava, you can just stay right there close to the video. This got lots of candy. Look at it. I'll show you it.
Look at mine.
Stop it.
Look at mine.
Not now. That isn't now. Lots of candy. Backside a heart. Now you can show yours.
Look at mine. Ugh.
Okay, you gotta get on the camera.
Look at mine.
Whoa. Hey, Eva. Do you want to be in the video?
No.
Okay. Let's pick up all the candy.
What?
Destroy the candy!
And I'm gonna destroy mine too. See what
And
she
then
looks
it's time
like
to
when
open
she's naked.
it.
When I destroy all my candies, we're gonna open my dress.
It's a little froggy.
And my froggy.
Bang, 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 bang.
Ow! And my froggy.
Little girl. Oh, you grabbed on that way.
And my froggy.
Yo. Wait. Okay, you can have it. Sorry, guys. I was gonna do something else.
I'm a
But
frog.
my sister wanted the frog, so we can't do it. So I'm walking back.
What the?
I'm leaving you guys alone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, you gotta leave too now.
I'm leaving you alone.
Let's get something.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some cereal.
We're not really leaving them alone. Don't worry, guys. We're not really leaving you away, okay?
Yeah.
If we just undo the video already, that would be terrible.
And
You know.
Serious.
And dang it, didn't show up. I think I said this. In the No. Time to work. We are going to time to play. Time to play. Let's see if I can see Mama. Oh, there. I saw Mama. Time to play. Kitchen. Hello. I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see my kitchen. My little kitchen. This is our room. And sorry about that if you saw it. This is another part. Where you see that little chair in the blanket? That is a little fort I made with all the stuffed animals. That's all the way my fort. And one more thing. My kitchen! Now you guys can see my kitchen! Let's move you guys back a little bit. Can't move you guys very well. So happy, guys. You guys are really my kitchen! Yay! Time to cook. Time to cook. Yeah. Time to cook this. Whee! thing we need is and then put it in the oven. This one might not be very exciting, okay? For people that are watching, it might not be very exciting. But hopefully soon it'll be exciting. Then you show on the camera. Let me just grab all these little candies that I took off our plate of eggs and use them. Oh, I dropped one.
Mom, can I have
This
candy?
on
Mom,
here.
can I have
Ba-dum-gum-gum.
a candy? For what?
Yes, here.
Mama, I need to have more candy.
Well, I'm using them. Let's cook this guy into the
got
oven and put
one
a kid in there.
Yeah, one candy.
There's a second. Just a second. Boop. Yay, back. Hey.
One.
Come here, pick her up. Boop.
And that's
Boop. Boop. Shut up, pick up. Boop. Back to the kitchen door. What? Boop. Hello guys. Sorry about that.
Take that one out.
Very weird.
Enjoy you and
Come on, let's do this. Let's do it. This is my third video, and it's gonna be the last video I have today. If you haven't seen my first one and my second one, you should definitely see them. First one, I'm really nervous. Second one, crazy. I'll tell you what my second one was called. Magic World of Destroying Houses. I was like, I'm gonna destroy. I'm gonna destroy you. Roar. I want Play-Doh.
Don't eat my candy.
I can eat some Play-Doh now. I'm eating Play-Doh. Oh, Play-Doh. Look at me. I'm eating Play-Doh. My Play-Doh! No! Sorry guys about that. The screen just got a little bit blank. Got like blank if you saw that. Let me do something. Need to do this. Get this on your guys' toe. My feet. Oh. What should we be? Time for the Did you see it? Wah, 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 wah. How about you saw a lot of it?
Papa, you saw one.
Let's look at a house. But it's apparently, of course, this cover up the oven. Adding egg. Hello. If you can see it, it's right there. Hello. Ava, you got to go and scream. Ah! That's like this for Ava. She's a cutie. Hug. Ah! Where are you pushing? Whoa, whoa. Man. I started hating us. Ava, I need to do my video, okay?
Okay.
Ava. Oh, I'm squeezing. Guys, do you know what I just forgot to do? If you say turn on the oven, you are right.
Yellow.
Put on candy on my nose. Put candy on my nose. Now we gotta cook it. Now we can finally cook it. That was bad. Cooking. What did I forget to do, everybody? And I can't help. Oh, forgot to turn on the oven. Oh my gosh, where did I think of that? Put in this together. Put in this together. There we go. There.
I'll put my tea in the oven.
He's going in the oven. Wait, stop. Bring a candy in there. Get out the tea.
Oh my, I need my tea cooked.
Yeah, you're on the cooking show. Where's the cooking show?
I made some tea.
Do it.
Are you good?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn it on. Sorry. Yeah. Keep cooking, okay?
Is he in there? Good. Damn. It's cold so much on day. It's a little.
Okay, I'm back. These are all my cuffings. This is, I forgot what it's called, but it's one of the kind of cats that you can get when you tame it. And that's the one of the wild ones. And this is, I dropped the chicken. This is a chicken. They all got legs, but I couldn't stand legs. I'm a cow. Meow. He looks so funny. This guy's eyes look really funny. Meow, 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 meow. My eyeballs. Why are my eyeballs on the screen? We're gonna cook this guy. Meow. Cook him! I'm gonna freeze him.
Decorating the oven.
Do you think we should cook the oven?
Yes.
The oven.
Or do you
We got the cooking oven. We got the cooking oven.
Or do you think we should decorate the oven?
They say cook the oven.
We should.
Let the children cook the oven. Cook the oven.
Okay.
Isn't that right, guys? If you say no, then you're kidding. You gotta be kidding if you say no.
Well, if you say no, you are wrong, and then I'm gonna spank you guys' butts.
How dare you say the audience? Go on the floor. Still. I got it the floor. No, really, go in it.
No.
Because it's a funny name for a fork.
Okay, if you say no, you will be candy. And
you'll go to the Fort of Doom, which you apparently won't die in. Because it's a weird Fort of Doom. We're gonna cook Poco. We're gonna cook Poco.
I want to eat this Poco. Poco.
I'm gonna eat Play-Doh. Ow. I ate Play-Doh. Let me eat some more. Yeah, that's my tooth mark. Nom. Mama. Mama.
Yeah, you are. Mama. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Anymore. You're going to put on Zoom. What you want? But you would never die. Before I Zoom, but you never die.
I've been a kindness because we're playing house. Woo! I turn off the lights
To make it more scary.
I like being right funny.
She's silly.
No, scream.
No, great. No. Ow! No! Ow! Maya!
Yeah, I didn't think that would hurt.
Ow! 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 Me want you to cook this! Okay. Until I had... He's free! He's free! Woo! He ran out of the oven! Guys! I fell right out of the oven! Ah! And I have a tea! And it's in the house! It's running! And flying! Here, look! It's the creature that you're gonna cook. How's the oven doing? Going. Ah! Give me that creature! Creature! Oh my! Creature!
Again. Beep.
Mom, guess what I found? I found a butterfly. I found a baby. We have to cook that creature. Get that creature!
Beep.
Mama, look what I found. I found a darn. Wait, stop.
Beep.
Mama, look what I found. I found a darn. I found a kitty. That's a dinosaur!
Yeah, you.
You're making my hair crazy. Really, for real. Mama, I found a wild dog. You're making my hair crazy.
Beep, beep.
Mama, guess what I found? What? I found a coyote. Wait, let's try the guy again.
Beep.
Mama, guess what I found? A coyote. Mama. I will make some. I'll make some candy for you. Let me cook. Let me cook. Hey, candy. You're candy. No. Now it's a little gummy bear.
Beep.
She's eating
I
gummy
am
bear.
I'm a dinosaur. Mama.
Mama, honey, someone do him.
Beep. Beep. She did.
This was a dying bear. I don't like him.
I made you a muffin. Hello. What? Make up. Hey. should I make?
Mouth.
Is it stinky? Is it stinky?
Is it stinky? Is it stinky? Do it in my Dad, do it in my nose. It's stinky. It's stinky. It's stinky.
My breath stinky.
Your breath stinks.
That's
That's your breath stink.
Muffin time. Meow, meow.
There's no muffins in there. You gotta back up! Step 1!
You must make all the muffins.
Fart! Just fart and back a poop on you and fart on you and stand and sit on you and do
Rub my foot on you. Rub my foot on you.
so make them! You don't make them, you go to the first thing where you can actually die! For real? Uh-huh. For real, in real life? Uh-huh. Maya, are you kidding me? No. So make some muffins. Okay. You're not making it quick enough. I'm trying to. Okay. Well, then you're a little tardy pants. You're a little tardy pants. Make them quicker, quicker, quicker. Stars. Stop. Wait. Stop. I need to see how hot they are. Stop. Back to cold. Make them again.
Wait.
Hello. Hi. Wait. I gotta find the next one.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I help you make those? I love muffins.
Well, I'm making little stars right now.
Okay.
But you know how I make stars?
I can help you make anything, okay?
Stars. Here's your cookie.
But you gotta cook it first.
Okay.
I'll go get some more food. I'm gonna go get some more batter. Okay.
You can fly really fast, please. Wait, yeah. You can actually ask him or her to actually make all the stuff for you. But you're gonna call in 3 friends. Actually 2 friends. Boy and Spot. And the Mr. Dinosaur. And the
I
dinosaur.
knew it was Mr. Dinosaur.
No, they call him Mr. Dinosaur.
No.
Okay, the cookie is ready. The cookie's ready.
Oh,
Okay. Keep it in a tray until so the lady can see it.
Hi guys. Hello. I'm gonna help you make all the stuff. I'm gonna go get some more stuff.
There we go. Here's our first cookies. Wait, you gotta ask him to make all the cookies for you. Make all of them for you. Can you make all the cookies for me? Uh-huh. Just put a lid on it. There. Wait, leave it in there. I'll put that on there. And it's just that's the beat, please.
Cookie dough, cookie dough. I love your cookie dough. Come in. Come in, guys. Come on in. Help me. See my friends, help me. You always help me whenever I need help. See my friends.
Help.
Let's help.
Can you help me?
What are you doing?
I want some more. Little Diego. got to. And everywhere you go, hero got his arm. Like a packet. I'll tell you when it's done. Hero, that he is done. But not the cookies. Got the cookies. Alright. Hi. We're all
How
gonna
can I help you?
do-do-do, papa,
Hi.
do-do-do.
Hi. How can I help you? Well, today I'm having a
We're all
baby.
gonna
Actually, I'm
do-do-do.
Maya, cook some food for this lady.
Okay. But the cupcakes are done. La 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 la.
But she doesn't want cupcakes or cookies or something.
Yeah, there's tea.
Yes.
I don't know how to make cake.
Well, it's my birthday, so I need a cake.
Well, I don't know how to make a cake either. All I know how to make is cupcakes and muffins. Hello guys.
What about
Look at the cupcakes.
What about
I already made some cookies, but they are Kira. The pink person made your muffins for you. And so don't look. Look at those muffins. Don't they look good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm done. This isn't very exciting. Let's do something else that's exciting. So you
See my channel. And she my channel. I don't know what to do. I guess I should.
I'm gonna do something funny.
Wait! Stay!
We were hungry. Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah.
You have to. I want
It's little.
It's
delicious.
It's
Yeah. Instead of Play-Doh, our old food is Play-Doh. What's that? Creature. Yeah. I was eating it.
This is good.
Creature. If I stop holding. This is almost up. Let's do something together. I'm gonna cover your face with Play-Doh so you can't see. Hello. Why aren't you on the screen? Wait. Ah! You scared me. Wait. I'm gonna make a mustache. Mouth! My mustache. I'm a mustache.
Here's your tea.
Maya, here's your tea. Thanks, mustache.
Okay. Get out.
Where
Here's
my,
your
I
teeth.
said, where my mustache?
It's done.
Nah.
Here's your teeth on your
I
head.
wanted you to wear my mustache.
No, I'm a tricker. I
Look at my
don't wear mustache. You wear
You're
mustache.
fired! I'm the boss. So you didn't listen. So you're fired.
You're fired, actually.
Well,
I'm
you're in the part of doom. The part of deadness. You can die in that one. In real life. I'm not kidding. So get out of here.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. But it takes a little bit for you to die, okay? So just don't go in there.
Blankets don't make people die.
There's a special blankets that make you die. Blah, 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 blah. Stick my butt at you.
Special blankets don't make anybody die.
I'll get you up, Mama.
Maya!
That's delicious.
Maya!
I heard you.
But Maya, you need to say something to me or I'm not gonna let you in my video.
I don't even know what to say.
Nothing can die!
Nothing can die! I think nothing can die that. Mama, can I please cover the screen? No, but you can cover the camera. Thank you. No, told you I shouldn't do that. There's Play-Doh on his face. Not kidding. What? What? Why is there Play-Doh on your nose? You got a squiggly nose for some reason. There's something I gotta show you guys.
Maya, what are you looking for? I know that Mama's dying. Hey, doggy.
This is my pet dog.
Here's your little bone. And then let's put tail. Doggy. And then let's enjoy potato with me. Sometimes they'll
My dog's gonna lick all over you guys.
Everybody that's here. Some people don't. Some people don't.
Some people think it's a poopy butt. No, some people think it's a poopy butt. That is the end of it. Comment and link down below if you like this video. Because it's very, very very long. For the people that are still watching. Very, 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 very long. Go! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Very, very long.
I think so. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.
And here's your hot dog. Here's your little hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog.
Move.
Here's your little hot dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. I just wanted to go there.
Yeah, she likes hot dogs, and I don't care.
Stop.
Here,
Video's over. Down. 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 Down.
I stepped in poop. That's okay, I'll clean it up.
If you like this video, this is my first video, okay? Yeah.
No. For video, that's it. You. That's okay.
Can I say bye? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Everyone, want to say bye to people that are watching?
Bye. Well, Maya, you have to do it every day.
Bye.
Maya, you have to do it every day. Maya, then you can just do it again.
See you later.
Bye, bye.
Mr. Guys, I hope you see my full video, which is apparently not going to be thick. I hope you see it. Bye. Sorry I had to see you a bit long. Bye.